Hello guys, welcome. If you've been searching through your settings, trying to connect Cash App directly to your PayPal account, you've probably realized that there isn't a seamless one-click sync button. Because they are completely different platforms and competing platforms, they aren't designed to integrate natively. However, there are two quick, reliable workarounds to link them up. So the fastest way to link both profiles is by using your physical or digital Cash App debit card. So open your Cash App, tap on the card icon on your main dashboard layout, and select Card Details. This will reveal your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Then you open your PayPal, tap directly into your wallet, and select Add Banks and Cards. From the Options menu, select Debit and Credit Cards and tap the option to input your card details manually. Then you just type in your Cash App card numbers exactly as they appeared in the other app and save the connection. Once linked, you can easily use your Cash App balance to fund PayPal payments or transfer your PayPal balance straight over to your Cash App. So that's it. It takes a small extra routing step to link them together, but it keeps your data perfectly secure and ensures your money moves exactly where you want it to go. Enjoy the guide as always, and thank you for watching.